Hi guys, today we talk about how to turn on white lists on your Binance app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, just go up, you click here in this sign here in app. So then you come to this list here on your profile. You go up, you click here in this sign here in app. So then you come to this list here, you click here on crypto withdrawal settings. So then you click here on white list here, and you come to whitelist, you click in this sign, and like you see here this color shuffle, when you click it on turn on, like you see this, so you click in next here. So and here it's going to add video or turn on video here uh, on your Binance app, and here can you add here on authentication app verification if you want to add it when you click here on enable here. As all, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking. So then here you add your security verification. It's going to show for you for your email you add, and you click here on send, then it's going to add video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.